Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I get my signature afro, which I've been wearing lately. And yeah, so if you want to find out how I get my afro, then just keep watching. So I start off by shampooing and conditioning, and these are the products that I use, both by Shea Moisture, and I'll link them down below as well. I've just taken off my microfiber towel to reduce any frizz, and then I'm going to comb it through with a wide tooth comb. But I've already detangled it in the shower, so it's not tangled or anything. Then I am just going to section it off. This is just after the shampoo and condition stage, so now I am just about to apply my deep conditioner. So I'm sectioning my hair off into 4 separate sections, and then I'm going to start applying the deep conditioner section by section. And I'm using another Shea Moisture product, which this was the first time I used it actually, and it didn't really smell that great, but it is a really nice product and feels really nice in my hair, but I just didn't really like the smell. That was the only downside. So I do have high porosity hair, and this is from the Shea Moisture High Porosity line, and I really liked it actually. It went through my hair really nicely and really felt like it was moisturising my hair really well. So once I've applied the product to each section of hair, I then twist off that section, because I feel this really helps the product to seep into the strands and really moisturise it. And as you can see, I'm using quite a generous amount of the product, and that's just to make sure that every single strand of my hair is coated. So once I've applied the product to all of my hair, I then cover my head in a plastic shower cap, and then I will leave that on for about 20 minutes. Well, exactly 20 minutes. As you can see, I'm timing it. So after the 20 minutes is up, I will rinse that out of my hair. So it's now rinsed out, and I'm just sectioning my hair into a small bottom section and a larger top section. Now I'm going to apply the Palmer's Coconut Oil Leave-In Conditioner, and I really like using this leave-in for my afros because it's very lightweight, and when I'm doing an afro I need lightweight products so as not to weigh my hair down too much, because obviously you want the afro to stick up and not hang down. Next I'm going to seal in that moisture with this oil, and it's from Garnier, and it's a blend of almond and castor oil and some other things in there as well. So you shake it up to combine it, and it just smells really good, and yeah, I think it's quite a nice lightweight oil to seal that moisture in with. It's not like pure castor oil that's quite sticky and thick, and I'm just rubbing that into my scalp as well, as you can see, just to promote hair growth and also to moisturise the scalp and nourish the scalp. And for my styler, I'm going to use the Cantu Moisturizing Curl Activator Cream, and this is also a really lightweight product. It is a cream, but it's a very lightweight cream and quite runny, so I thought this would be perfect because it also has just enough hold to keep my curls looking good, but it's lightweight, so it's not going to weigh my hair down. I also find that this product leaves my hair with a lot of volume compared to the other Cantu cream, the coconut curling cream. I feel like that one gives you more definition and hold, but it doesn't give you the volume that this one does. So this one's perfect for my afros. So as you can see, I'm just doing the same steps on the middle section of my hair, and then eventually I'm going to move on to the top section as well. And for this top section, I'm going to split it into a front part and a back part, because I feel like that helps me to shape my hair into how I want it to dry the easiest. So I'll do that back section first and then the front section. And how I apply the cream, as you can see, I rake it into my hair. I don't comb it through. I just think raking it is fine because it is an afro style. If I was doing like a wash and go where I wanted a lot of definition, then I would probably comb it through. But for this, I comb through the leave-in, but the cream, I just rake it through my hair. I also feel like raking it through leaves you with the most volume at the end when it dries. So I also like to give my hair a good shake once I've applied all my product, because I feel this helps to clump my curls together a little bit and create a bit more volume as well. So that's how it's looking once all the product is applied, and this is later on once it's dried. As you can see, it's very shrunken and looks very helmety. So I'm definitely not going to leave it like this. I'm going to grab that same oil from before and shake it up again. And then I'm going to break the cast of the styler. It's not really a strong cast, but it was a little bit crunchy, so I'm just breaking that cast, and I'm also rubbing the oil into my scalp again just to nourish the scalp and again just to promote growth. The more you do this, I just think the better. And then I'm just fluffing my hair out a lot as well. I just need to get some size and volume into that helmet of hair that I've got at the moment. So now I am using my afro comb, and I'm using this to pick out my hair even more and just really get that volume back and just get rid of that helmety look. So suddenly the light changed and there was a really beautiful sunset, so that's why I'm now looking at the window. So this is how my hair's looking after picking it out. It's still a little bit shrunken and flat, and I don't really like it when it looks like this. It's first day hair is never how I want to wear it out, so I normally do it the day before I want to wear it out. So this is the next morning, and I slept in the silk cap, and I sectioned my hair off into these 4 separate sections overnight. And I feel like this stretches my hair out a little bit, and it also helps it to keep its shape, like once I fluff it out. So I'm grabbing some more of that oil, and I'm going to take the bands out, and I just wrap the bands out around once around each section. I think they're very loosely tied because I don't want to leave like indents in my hair. I just want to stretch it out a little bit. So I'm just separating those sections with my fingers, and then I'm going to add a little bit more of that same leave-in conditioner just to add a little bit more moisture back into my hair. And I am fluffing. Make sure you do this with oiled fingers so you don't create a lot of frizz. Like, there will be a bit of frizz, and a bit of frizz is good because you are going for a big full look, but you don't want too much frizz obviously. So I am now picking it out again with my afro comb, and this is where I get the most volume the next day. And so after a lot of picking and fluffing, this is what I'm left with, and I really like this look. It's so easy to achieve and maintain, and I do sleep in the 4 sections overnight with the silk bonnet, but apart from that there's not really much maintenance. I might re-moisturize every other day with the leave-in conditioner, but that's about it. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye!